Today we are looking at a Forester Debearder. This Debearder is on our auction. You can see it is lot number 297. But I wanted to make this video because a customer specifically asked me to run a lavender sample through this machine. So that is what we are going to be doing with it today. We wanted to document it. Okay, so over here in this box is what we're starting with. This is the lavender that is on stems, and the idea is we want to knock it off of the stems, and then it can be used for processing in other machines to separate out the stems. This box over here is what he already ran through a machine that he is using, and you can see that it's not ideal because a lot of the stem and plant matter are mixed in with the lavender, and it's harder to separate with the plant particles being that fine. Going over this machine real quick, it is single phase. It has 220 volt power, and it has this VFD on it for controlling the impeller speed on the inside. So that can be adjusted, which helps fine-tune your separations. Okay, here I have the unit running. I have used the VFD to turn the machine down to about half of its full running speed. So we've done that. We are now going to go ahead and start feeding the lavender into the Debearder. Okay, we're going to go ahead and feed it in. I have this stick to assist me. You can see it'll pull it in there. It's churning the lavender inside the machine right now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and feed some more in. See it churning. Okay, this is showing the results of the lavender test through the Forester Debearder. It knocked the majority of the lavender pods off. You can still see a couple right there. And we have this larger plant material, which would be easier to separate than the previous box that went through the other machine that had the smaller plant material in it. So this is the results of the test. You could probably get this knocked apart a little more if you wanted to by running it faster. I was running it at about half speed. A couple of things that I believe would make this machine a little bit better would be a larger funnel that bolts on to this flange here would help, which would be easy to manufacture, and a larger hole screen, because what was happening was all of the small lavender seeds and the plant material was all coming out of the same spout, which if we had a larger screen, the lavender would come out of this spout and then the plant material would come out of the spout that's just under here. Also, if the machine discharged out the end, a lot of Debearders have an oval opening. I think that would help it come out a little better and faster. What I ran into was some of the lavender stems did want to hang up inside of this spout here, but the majority of them came out with no trouble at all. So it's not really a big issue, but it was something I noticed. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.